Well, if you have one of these Ford Mavericks or even a Bronco Sport, I'm pretty sure it's similar, and you don't want to spend the money on the Ford aftermarket mud flaps, you can get them from Amazon for about 25% of the cost of the OEM Ford ones. The Ford ones for both the front and rears run about 110 bucks before tax and shipping. These off of Amazon aftermarket run about 35 depending on who you buy them from. Now, typical Amazon aftermarket crap, you're going to have a whole bunch of different brands that sell the same product for around the same price point. So even though this brand is likely going to be different than the one you're going to install, this one's Muzlogy, I don't even know how to say that, but it's going to be pretty much the same thing. So let's go ahead and open this box and get started. These are pretty simple to install. So, box is opened up. They give you a single sheet of instructions, and they even give you a pop-it tool for these little pop tabs you're going to have to remove. But we can see got some protectant for the paint. These are optional. I will install these, but what I'm going to have to do is clean up the sides a little bit first. But you can see they, for $30, they surprisingly give you all the tools you need to do this. Even new pop tabs. That one's the front right, rear left, and rear right. So we're going to do the fronts first, and then we'll do the rears. Let's get ready. All right, so I've got mostly everything ready here. You can see, now the directions tell you to do this, but basically you just want to put it in place, see how well it works out. This is going to be fine, so it's pretty obvious we're going to have to remove these three pop tabs. I've already cleaned off the side here. All that came off of it. So I'm going to have to do that for all three of the other sides too. But let's get started. First thing we'll do is go ahead and pop these tabs out. Just like that. And they just pop out. Just like so. Now these are still good, so I'm going to keep these. So with those three off, we can take the mud flap, put it in place, make sure everything lines up as it should. Now the camera can't really see this all that well, but I can. And I can also see that this approximately is going to be where we're going to put those wear strips for the paint. Wear strip is on. Doesn't look perfect, but the flap's going over it. There we go. Not too bad. So just got to do the backside now. Don't know if I trust these as much as I do the Ford ones. So if I have any issues with these, I might just pull them out. So the back one's a little bit different. I believe these are 7mm bolts right here. To pull those out, and then just the two pop tabs. Pull the pop tabs out first. came out pretty good. Now just do the other two and meet you guys at the end of the video. Well, let's take a look. All in all, I'd say it looks pretty good. You don't really notice it much. But not bad for $30-something. Stay tuned for more videos.